Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to what is another great video. In today's video we're going to be looking at what happens if you have paint in your car and you meet in an accident. Let's get started. So first up, we're going to go on a little journey. Imagine your family wants to paint the house, and what happens is you don't have any paint at home and you notice the hardware store has a great special for paint. So what do? You and your family members get into the car and go to the hardware store. When you get to the hardware store, you realize that the paint is actually on special and is much cheaper than advertised. So you decide to buy two 20-liter containers of paint. You now take this paint and you stuff it into your Fiat. When stuffing this paint into your Fiat, you're going to notice the car is looking quite heavy with 4 people in total in the car. So what happens is you're driving on your way back home and you are more interested in painting it. So you take off your intersection and you do not yield. And when you do not yield properly, there's a car coming in front, and this is exactly what happens in the car. Yes, you've seen it right. A big, huge explosion in the car. When this happens, the other driver is extremely confused as he thinks that, well, the car has white tint? Well, clearly not. When you jump out of the car, you start to look like some kind of slime monster with white paint dripping out of you. I can't imagine the amount of damage that's caused to this car when the paint exploded on impact. Basically, paint went everywhere and coated everyone, and then I suspect it's going to be quite hard just to remove the paint. As you can see by these guys' faces that they're not happy at all. I mean, who would be happy if 20 liters of paint spilled inside your car and on you? If you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more daily content. Until next time.